Hello. In this video, we practice some Python multi-threading exercises. Okay. So what is threading means? It's just a small part of a program is nothing but a threading. Why we use threading means to achieve concurrency and also to achieve multitasking. Okay. So if you want a theory part, you can check in my Python tutorial. Okay. So here only we'll see the examples here. Okay. So just first example is write a Python program to create multiple threads. Okay. Multiple threads you have to create and print their names. Okay. Creating multiple threads and print their names. So if you want to do multi-threading or threading, so you have to import threading module here. Okay, if you want to work with threading concept, you have to import threading module here. Okay, and define some function here, just function to apply threading. Okay, define some function, print thread name is just thread name is current thread name is okay, whatever name can give. If you want to know the current thread name, we have to use threading dot current thread. Okay, current thread method dot names is there. Okay, dot names is there, name. Okay, to get the name of the current thread. Okay, or names. Okay, current thread. If you want to know the current thread name, okay, that's the function. And take empty list here and repeat the loop if you want multiple threads for I in range 5. Okay, now if you want to apply multi-threading, if you want to apply threading to this function, you have to use with threading constructor. Okay, threading dot thread constructor, and there is a target parameter is there, so there you have to give this method. Okay, to apply threading. See, observe here, target is equal to thread target object name string arguments. These are the parameters for thread constructor. Keyword arguments are group target is a callable object to be invoked by the run method. It defaults to none, meaning nothing is called here. Okay, name arguments, keyword arguments. Okay, so just if there are arguments, you have to mention after comma. Just here give method name here. That's it. Simple. Okay, if any arguments are there, just comma, you can give the argument there. Okay, and append thread here, and use join method to join all the threads. For thread in threads, okay, thread dot join method wait for all threads to finish. Okay, so that's it. Now start the thread here. If you want to start the thread, you have to use here threads dot start. Okay, thread dot start. Okay, thread dot start. I forgot to tell you, if you want to start thread, okay, start the thread activity. If you want to start the activity of thread, you have to use start method here, thread dot start, and join method waits for until threads to finish. Okay, see, it must be called once per thread object. It arranges for the object run method to be invoked several thread of control. So that's it. Just execute it. Okay, the name here, just execute it now. See, the current thread name is threading the current. We get the current thread name here, thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, thread 5 names. Now we repeat 5 loop here. Okay, we are applying multiple threads. We are getting multiple threads here. Simple, creating a multiple threads using for loop, using thread constructor. If you want to apply thread to your function, just use the thread constructor and target parameter here. And in target parameter, we have to mention the function where you want to apply the thread. Okay, names function here. Okay, that's it.